Lately, I was getting too many queries about graphic designing as a career, and I felt that this topic is too big for only one person to cover. So I teamed up with two of my buddies, Bhaskar and Suripto. Bhaskar is a film school graduate and has professional work experience of more than 10 years in cities like Kolkata and Bangalore. On the other hand, Surito is a communication design expert working in Bangalore with an experience of almost a decade and also was closely associated to events like Metropolis Asia and Zero Music Festival. On an early Sunday morning, we went to a lake that is not too far from our residence and tried to figure out graphic designing as a career and beyond. And I'm Shamim, a graphic designer and a video editor by profession with experience of working in print, publication and digital mediums. And you are watching The Mokles Talk. So here we are in a different location. So the next thing is what we are talking about. देखिए ये वीडियो शुरू हुआ था regarding what is the best place to do graphic designing. But I think इस वीडियो का टॉपिक थोड़ा move forward हो रहा है. But it's revolving around that thing only. The pros and cons of being in this field, being in this profession. तो इसके लिए मैं एक और मतलब the one another question that I get more frequently is that what are the scopes? Frankly speaking, when I joined, I never considered anything about like कि मेरा क्या होगा, मैं future में जाके कैसा job करूँगा, what will be that thing. But nowadays, of course, understandably, लोग पूछते हैं कि what will be best, graduation or diploma, which we already spoken about. Then what are scopes? एक बार करने के बाद क्या होगा? After graduation करना चाहिए या फिर 10+2 करना चाहिए? So all these things, this point is about that.
Scope isn't scope. Will be an advertising agency or a design studio. If he's just asking me after his HS plus 10+2, then I will suggest him to go for a degree, do his degree, and then apply for his scopes, and obviously the salary structure will also change according to that. If he is a graduate from a well-known institute, or if he's just a diploma, he has to work a little harder than a graduate from a well-known institute. Apart from that initial push, it is all about your talent, and scope will be based on that. And obviously in agencies, how well you negotiate your salary, it will based on that. But I will obviously suggest to do him a degree more than a diploma.
But it can be a very well-paying job. It depends on your talent as well. But it can be a well-paying job that I wanted to add. Surito.
But yeah, I think initially getting a job is the first. It should be the first goal once getting into an organization. Now it depends, like you're joining an advertising firm or a design firm or a publication, because initially you might not know that what you want to be. Like you might be like you are. Graphic designing such a wide stream. You can do and you can enter in any field. Like it can be in advertising, it can be a digital agency, it can be a publication, as I said. So initially, first 2-3 years, it will be a tough time to to understand your skill set, and you will know that how the market works, what is the requirement. Because till the time you are in college, you are doing what you are being told or what is in the book, or you are exploring your own design things. But once you start working under someone or under any organization, you have to get into their requirement, what they want. So first 2-3 years it might be a little crucial. By the time, I think you will figure it out. Like I'm good in advertising, I'm good in publishing, I'm good in only poster design. So by the time you will figure it out. Obviously money is there. You need to know how to get it. So yeah.
And here I also want to add one more thing, that most of my audiences are from Assam. So in terms of job in Guwahati, scope in Guwahati, media is one of the biggest industries that will provide you with jobs in this field in Guwahati. But if you go out of Guwahati, maybe in Bangalore, now in Pune, then Mumbai, also in Delhi also, you will have various creative agencies that will provide you 360 degree scope of work. Now my next question for Bhaskar and Surito is that this is a personal one, but why this question is important, because I have worked in Guwahati Suripto always have worked in Bangalore.
Yes.
But Suripto was closely involved in local work in terms of events and in terms of other things. And Bhaskar, so he has done one directorial course from Kolkata, KFTI. Then he came to Bangalore. So all three viewpoints are different. So this is one personal question, that if we get the opportunity, will we go back to Guwahati for a job? In terms of maybe the salary, in terms of maybe the opportunity, in terms of work, everything. So Bhaskar will elaborate.
My first answer will be, obviously I'll go back to Guwahati if the opportunity arises. Not that I haven't tried, I have tried several times, but only problem is even if I get 60% or 50% of what my current income is, probably I will decide to go back to Guwahati.
Now Bhaskar, describe opportunity. By opportunity, what do you mean?
Guwahati the opportunity.
Guwahati opportunity, I have tried in media houses, okay, because that is something that's booming, 70% of the creative, I think, people are absorbed in media houses only, that what I have seen. Very less advertising agencies or creative agencies, and most of the creative agencies that are there in Guwahati are surviving with, I think, with theatre work and event works. So opportunity wise there is less, but I have also seen some digital agencies growing there, trying to take clients which are already there in Guwahati, and probably some digital need will arise, and there will be a boom in digital work also, and I am hoping that soon I will go back to Guwahati.
Suripto?
I have never worked in Guwahati, as you said already. I stepped out of Guwahati thinking that I'll go out, learn something, and come back. It's been over 10 years now, but yeah, definitely I'm going back Guwahati. Guwahati right now there are opportunities. It's not like there are 10 years back there were few, but now I think there are more than 10, because you were working there in Guwahati for a couple of years. That time also the thing was growing, and now I feel like I've been in touch with Guwahati and the people, designers in Guwahati, and they say that the market is growing. Obviously the demand is less, like in terms of quality work and all that stuff, but yeah, until unless we like, if I want to go back, obviously I have to see that how the whole industry is it growing or not, or that's the thing. So yeah, there are opportunities, but you have to look for it. That's what I
Do you think, Sudipta, do you think people like us should go back and create opportunities rather than waiting for opportunities?
That was exactly my next question.
No, obviously that is good question, Bhaskar.
But we don't know how to create opportunities.
I'll
we
give.
will definitely. We are not in that position right now. What I feel, I have seen discussion with Bhaskar, like I think 2 years back, that when are we planning to go back. 2020 was the goal, but now it looks like it need to be extended for next couple of years. Now we're definitely going back for sure, because I feel, because the day I stepped out of Guwahati, I said that I need to come back. I can't go out and give my services to other states. Like first we are Assamese, then we are Indian. So now the feel is like, now I've been working in Bangalore for so long. Now I feel like I need to go back to Assam and give something back to Assam. My home is there, my mom is there, everyone is there. So end of the day, home is calling basically. So yeah, definitely in coming years we'll go there, and obviously we'll try to create as much as opportunity as possible there. So that's the goal. Let's see.
Why I came out from, I worked in Guwahati for 6 years, 6 months, 1.5 years, and then 2.5 years. 6 years I worked in Guwahati. I was very happy in Guwahati. I was living a good life in Guwahati. Everything was good, and I'm very grateful to the people who gave me opportunity in Guwahati. But my only problem, it's a challenge I faced, that I want to tell Bhaskar and Suripta, and I want to get their viewpoint also. Ki when Guwahati is still a very growing market, it's a very small market. There are only few companies and few entrepreneurs are there. They are providing you jobs, and they have a very good bonding amongst themselves. So one challenge I faced, suppose we three have our 3 organizations, and one employee is there. He wants to change job from Bhaskar to me. So being a professional, he'll apply to my company, but I will not talk to him. I'll talk to Bhaskar first. So the moment I have applied for a job into a different organization, the discussion between the entrepreneurs will happen first, then my chance will come. That is one thing that I faced ki it's not fair.
It's not fair. Definitely, it's
Because
not a good
it's not
thing.
a very professional thing to do, because you should judge one by their merit, not by their like somebody else have to say about them.
Recommendation.
Yes, on recommendation. That was one big challenge that I faced in Guwahati. So that's why I felt ki maybe now, because as I've told you already, I have worked in 4 organizations. I consider 3. There were not much more at that point, and I'm sure that there are not much more now as well. It's very growing. It's still a very growing market. So to start, it's a very good place. But I don't know after some certain point how this thing will be, like how better or how good it will be. So if Bhaskar gets an opportunity, how Bhaskar will deal with this thing about growth?
I don't know how will I deal, because some professionalism is expected from everyone. If I am not saying to my current employee ki I want to change my job and first and then apply, then they also as employees they also should have their decency or professionalism, which is expected from everyone, the employer and the employees. Probably that actually is a problem in Assam, not only for employers. Everybody knows everybody.
It's a small place. If I feel.
don't know.
Positive and negative, both positive and negative. That is.
Yeah, in our language it is khura mama. It's all relatives kind of a thing. So little bit of professionalism is missing there, which is I don't know if it's good. For some cases it is good, some cases it is bad. But somewhere we have to be professionals to solve this issue.
I think
or
little bit professionalism is needed from everybody. So Surito?
I think if you are planning to shift, like as you said already, there are very few places where you can get a job, or if things are growing. But if you are changing also, I feel if you are changing also, you should not change for the sake of money. That is the first thing. If you are changing to, okay, fine, I'm doing a print job right now, I want to move it to digital. So that's your choice, that you want to do and explore a new place. So instead of just directly going, you should just communicate the same with your employer, saying that I think I should move out or something like that. Because what I feel, it's not a Bangalore or Calcutta where there are like 100 or 200 or 1,000 companies. It's a very, Guwahati is still booming. You can count in fingers like number of places. So as you said, the employer discussing among themselves, how is that guy and all. So in that way, I feel it's not a right thing. So it's better to, at this stage, it's better to tell your employer, see, this is the thing, I want to move out because so and so reason. If the employer feel like, he is or she is trying to move out, or then it's a good ending, right? Instead of just saying that one day that I'm giving my paper down, I'm going out, but end of the day he knows that you are already going to that particular organization.
Exactly.
So that's not an end, that's not a good end, right? Like he is not going to treat you well, he will not give good feedback in future, like I'm losing Shamim, like he is moving out without telling me, because as we all know, there are few places to work on. So the relationship is more than professional, it's more than a personal. What I feel, you're working as a family member more than a employer-employee thing.
Actually, Surito just gave a very good viewpoint to me as well. It's like if you are in Rome, be a Roman. So it is like that. So which was not fine for me maybe, but that is the way it should go. If you are working in Guwahati, then this will be one scenario which you will have to deal with it in that way itself. That is what you meant, right?
Yeah.
That is the thing. The next question will be
While the past Shamim was little confused about what to ask, but the future Shamim knows what will come next. You have just finished the second part of the 4-part series. In the previous video, we discussed graphic design as a career and the best places to learn graphic design. In the next part, we will discuss why we chose this profession, because as I say, the reason is all that matters. Video links are in the description. Stay tuned.